Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your first steps into the world of VPNs. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for beginners? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your online activity stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN connection drops, so your real IP never accidentally leaks. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your browsing history. Key when you're just starting out and care about privacy. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for beginners. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best pick if you're new to VPNs because of its speed and user-friendly features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data gets wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy and peace of mind. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks annoying ads and malicious sites that might trick new users with scams or phishing attempts, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you easily connect with family or friends for a super secure private network. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your phone, laptop, and tablet all at once without a worry. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so if you ever want to peek under the hood as you learn more, it's all there. And here's the clincher, their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just a promise, it's been proven true. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and runs its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over their equipment, which means a more stable, reliable connection for you, something a beginner will appreciate. And for anyone new who's worried about speed, it also offers a SOCKS 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your traffic more efficiently, though keep in mind you might lose a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is easiest and fastest for beginners? NordVPN is the clear winner in speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. That means quicker connections and smoother browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering steady, fast, reliable speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests showed its performance varies depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose as a beginner? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if you want the fastest, most user-friendly experience with plenty of helpful extras. Go with IPVanish if you've got multiple devices and want a stable connection, thanks to their self-run servers. And finally, pick PIA if you care deeply about privacy and want an open-source app with a no-logs record that's been court-tested. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're starting out with. See you soon.